Hey, this is David with the 505 coming to you with a quick review of the new SwitchEasy CoverBuddy case for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This is the third iteration of this case since the Magic Keyboard came out. The first one, apparently the case did not close all the way if you had the iPad Pro in it. The second version, they removed the magnets and it wouldn't hold the iPad Pro. So this is the third version, and I wanted to let you know that it is working just fine for me. As you can see, it is in the case now. Magnets are holding. There's no problem there. If you close the case, closes all the way. No issues whatsoever. It doesn't reopen. It holds secure, and it works just fine. It's easy to take off, put in. And one of the nicest things is I have a tempered glass screen protector on this, and I also have a D-brand skin. You can see a little bit of it on the back there. And apparently SwitchEasy has recommended to people not to use either of those types of products because it would interfere with fit. But as you can see, I have no problems whatsoever. The case works just fine. Goes in just as it's supposed to. Holds the iPad in just fine. And I find it really useful. I leave the Magic Keyboard case plugged in with USB-C, pop out the iPad, take it around, put it back in. Gives me an option of not having to carry around, of making the choice of either carrying around the heavy iPad Pro Plus Magic Keyboard or simply using the iPad naked. I don't like either of those choices. And then again, also having the Apple Pencil holder in is a great feature as well. So I wanted to let everyone know that the new version of the CoverBuddy case seems to work just fine, and I recommend it. Thanks.